So, how can we write the examples now? Is it animals or different species?
Animals or different species mean this elephant and this parrot, goldfish. These are known as populations. No, within a population, there is only one kind of species. Understood? This one kind of species. That means this different. This species are collectively known as communities. In a community, elephants are there, birds are there, goldfish are there, then monkeys are there, then donkeys are there, likewise. If we take separately, if we take separately uh, a kind of species out, that is known as a population. Understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Writing.
Finish, sir.
Okay. That community mean only this animals, okay? Only these animals are known as community. But a ecosystem consists of, consists of this, these animals plus the environment. Understood? This different population plus environment is known as community. So not community, ecosystem. Ecosystem. Understood or not? Or you
Understood,
can
sir. So,
see,
is it like
or yes, tell me.
forest?
Yes, forest is a kind of ecosystem. Because in a forest, we can see what is called as the physical environment is there, as well as the living species are also there. If we take this that living species out, that is known as a community. Understood? That physical
Yes.
environment plus community is known as the ecosystem. Physical environment plus community is known as the ecosystem. Community, okay, it is in here, né? Community plus their physical environment. So if you have enough space, you may draw like this. This is physical environment. In another color, you have enough space, physical environment. Actually, this is, I don't think there will be any kind of question from this hierarchy except cells and tissues, but to understand some of the terms and some of the content in this biology part, you should have this knowledge, okay? And I believe uh, a student who have done some of the A level parts for biology parts for A level, that he or she should have this very basic knowledge. This is very basic knowledge. That's how I think. Actually, that can be deviated from other one. That is okay. Okay, finish writing. Oh, still writing.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Then biosphere. Biosphere. This is the highest hierarchy. Biosphere. Biosphere means this ecosystem collectively formed a biosphere. These ecosystems collectively form a biosphere. Understood? We are also in a biosphere because we are a kind of animal and we have a physical environment. So we are in a separate ecosystem. We are in a separate ecosystem. That different kind of ecosystem collectively form a biosphere. Understood? You can write within bracket here, within bracket, all the ecosystem, all the ecosystems, all the ecosystem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, we have to talk about cell theory. Cell theory. Actually, this is a kind of fundamental principle in science or in biology. Okay, that was established in mid 18, mid 18, and Matthew Sheldon and Theodore Shevard and Rudolf Virchow were the scientists who built this cell theory. Who built this cell theory? And still for today, this cell theory is still acceptable and is still accepting. Do you know the difference between theory and a law? We don't say Newton theory. We say Newton's law. So we don't say cell law. So it is known as cell theory. So what is the basic meaning of theory and law? Theory versus law. What is the basic difference? Don't have any idea. Law mean, law mean with the years and years, this is not broken by anyone. Okay, this is quite unbreakable, unbreakable thing, unbreakable statement or something. So it become a law. It usually it it's called that at the first time it comes forward as a theory, but it was not breakable for years and years. It will become a law. And this theory can be, usually we say, okay, usually we say, this theory can be changed in some day. If it is not changed, this also become a law. This also become a law. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Then cell theory. In a cell theory, there are three clause. There are three clause. So can you remember what are these clause? Cell theory has three statements. Cell theory has three statements. In the first statement, according to the theory, the first statement is this, all the organisms are made up of one or more cells. All the organisms are made up of one or more cells. Yes, all the organisms are made up of one or more cells. If any organism has made up of one cell, what is the name we have given for this kind of organism, which has only one cell?
Unicellular
Yes,
organisms.
we call them as unicellular organism. Can you give me an example? Example for unicellular organisms?
Bacteria.
Yes, bacteria is a unicellular organism. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and yeast. Yeast. Those are unicellular organisms, and there are a lot of unicellular organisms. Okay, lot of unicellular organisms are there. But in our syllabus, those are the unicellular organisms. Yeah. Okay. Then the organisms which are made up of different kind of cells. So lot of cells we known as multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then write the first sentence. First sentence. All the organisms are made up of. All the organisms are made up of. All the organisms are made up of. All the organisms are made up of one or more cells. One or more cells. One or more cells. Okay. Then we talk about the second one. Second one. That is the structure and functional unit of life is cell. Structure and functional unit of life is the cell. Then write the second one. Second one. Cell is the cell is the cell is the cell is the structural and cell is the structural and structural and structural and structural and functional unit of life. Structural and functional unit of life. Structural and functional unit of life. Okay, the last one. The last one. This except for nerve cells, okay? Except for nerve cells, all the other cells are originated from the existing cells. All the other cells are originated from the existing cells. We call this process as cell division. Cell division.